I'm going to show you my easy, tried and tested way of fitting bamboo filament refills onto a reusable spool, with a couple of hacks and a splodge of experience thrown in. If, like me, you were lazy and bought your filament already on a spool, stop being a psychopath and buy the refills. They will save you a lot of money. Let's get started. After cleaning your hands so there is no grease on them that will contaminate the filament, take your refill out of the packaging. Put it down on a clean surface with the locating notch facing downwards. This will make sense in a second. Taking your empty bamboo spool, I always keep a few of these around, #hoarder. Note the side that has the locating lug on the inside. This is usually the side without the sticker present. Hold this in the hand that's on the opposite side to the refill. Once again, it will make sense. Take hold of both sides of the spool and turning one or both of them in an anti-clockwise direction until they click and stop rotating. Remove the side without the lug and then the old filament sleeve and place them out of the way. Pick up your filament refill and the alignment lug and notch should be facing each other if you've done it correctly. It can be annoying if they aren't and you need to juggle them. You now need to line them up. Sometimes the RFID tag does not line up with the notch in the sleeve, so take note of which way it's offset and rotate the refill or the half spool in the opposite direction to get the tag into alignment. Do not use force, only gravity is needed. Once they're lined up, the sleeve will fall into place and not rotate on the spool. Taking the other half of the spool you abandoned earlier, place it on top and also with no force, rotate it clockwise. It will then locate itself. Keep turning until an audible click appears out of nowhere. This does take a small amount of force. Do not remove the tabs holding the filament in place. I used to remove these and twist the filament and stick it into one of the holes for drying. This caused no end of feeding problems and meant I had to cut off the end portion. Dry your filament if you need to. You should do. Don't forget to remove the old sticker on the side of the spool and replace it with a new one if it doesn't already match. I like to put the filament in the AMS system and then remove the tabs in case the filament decides to uncoil itself and ruin your day. Now, here is a very important part. The filament will be loose. Do not get the wise idea of trying to pull it tight. It will get stuck and further ruin your day. Ask me how For more 3D printing, engineering, carpentry and other solutions, please do follow.